can schedule as per the lectures. Okay. So these lectures already we have sent, but this is a recapitulation because there is a long gap, and that's why you have started with that introduction to memories and computer architecture, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This
Yes,
is
sir.
as already we know what is computer memory and what is the hierarchy of the computer memory. In the slide 2, if you progress it, slide 2, I am placing that in next page. There are some network problem is also a issue for this type of class. ঠিক আছে অসুবিধা নেই ঠিক ঠিক একদম
Yes,
we
sir.
are going to there is a memory terminology. The terminology is memory cell. Cell, as we know, it is a store of 1-bit information, and there is a memory word. Memory word, it is a maximum capacity of 8 to 64 bits byte, as we know this all. And here a significant feature is that computer memory cell is 1-bit store information, means it is a flip-flop. In the literature they have mentioned a memory unit is a cell which can store 1 bit of information. Therefore a D flip-flop can use a 1 bit, because D flip-flop is a data flip-flop. Data means either 0 or 1. In computer jargon we know it is a technology of either 0 and O. So that's why memory word is there, byte is there, and capacity. Capacity means the density, and it is 20 bit of word. So how many bits they are calculated? There is an address. So from which location it will be fetched and where to go. This is the address, and mainly two operation is there. One is read operation and another is write operation. So fetch and store. So then they have a memory terminology. This terminology are nothing but the common jargons that what are the utilities of memory, and this is as we know, and I myself believe that you are able to handle these issues very carefully and you are strong enough. Now the thing is memory hierarchy. It is a hierarchy. It is a pyramidal structure. It also, you know, highest form is the register. There is a L1 cache. That L1 cache is nothing but the SRAM, and there is a L2 cache that is also a SRAM. So cache memory is divided also into two things. One is L1 cache and another is L2 cache. And there is a main memory and local storage, secondary storage, local disks, and remote secondary storage. That means tapes, distributed file system, web server. So this is a pyramidal structure. That means larger, slower, cheaper by per bit is the there is a arrow in the downward. There is a arrow, and there is an upper head arrow. There is smaller, faster, costlier per bit. So whenever we are moving from the lower to higher, so there is a concept of register is faster, costlier per byte, but there is a larger, but this is in comparison with the slower. And at the bottom, the remote storage, such as storage in the cloud, that is in the Dropbox or iCloud. We have referred, one is cloud virtual classroom, means management system, LMS, learning management system, moodlecloud.com. I have given the password and username also, the moodlecloud.com. I will try. Some of you have reported that there is a issues, but moodlecloud.com, it is there where the materials are uploaded.
Sir,
The
sir,
next,
sir, 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 वो
yes,
invalid आ रहा है, वो invalid
नहीं
आ रहा है,
नहीं
sir.
Moodle Cloud, I have reported that, but I will take the snapshot. I will take the snapshots from my PCs and I will send it to your group. Let's which check, because today morning right now I am also entered. I think there is some of issues. They have mentioned that you are writing only Moodle, but you write that moodlecloud.com. I am giving you the screenshot so that you can proceed. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Ayush. Okay, Ayush.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Now there are next two levels of SRMs in the processor chip itself. That is level 1 and level 2 cache. One thing I will forget in this situation. I have sent you a group mail. Please check the group mail. There is assignment also, 2 problems. Because in this situation you must be able to do the problem. So you will do the problems because university in this situation may take online examination. So I am focusing on the problems. So you should submit that problems through online. No issues that all. 2 cache memory problems I have given. Okay, in the group mail I have sent it. Right. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so these are the structure of and finally the fastest memory in are the registers inside the CPU. Now, if we connect to memory to the processor, that is our next issues, that connecting memory to the processor. And if you see the screen, there is a microprocessor and there is a memory. Now, microprocessor means, micro means basically it is a tiny, very small, it is called tiny. The first 4-bit microprocessor was 4004. It is a 4-bit microprocessor developed by Intel. Now, after that, there is a 8-bit microprocessor, that is 8085, and there is another processor 8086. So these are the processor development. Why this is required? Because computer memory and processor, they are interleaving and there is an interrelation to each other. So that is the interconnection. In the left hand side, if you see there, one is address register and one is data register, and in the memory there are total addressable locations and it is up to 2 to the power k addressable locations where word length is there, and there is a one directional arrow, that is k bit address bus, but there is a n bit data bus and there is a control bus. So bus means group of words. Bus is nothing but a group of words. Group of words means that can be used for movement of data, that can be used for movement of address. So k bit address bus means k bit stands for how many, the length of the address bit, address bus bit, that is k bit. So address register, it is the register location where the addresses are stored. It is directly interconnected with the memory, because memory, if we know already that memory is nothing but the pool of address chunks. So there are address bus, there is data bus, and there is a read and write. So only two operations we have mentioned. These are the controls. One is data and another is address. So this is the diagram where the objective of this diagram is the issues of address bus, data bus, and control lines, that is the read and write operation with the memory and the microprocessor. The details are there. I have already sent it also. Now, there are the main memory characteristics. What are the main memory characteristics? Access time, volatility, power consumption, density, and cost. There is a diagram, it is shown in the next slide. I can move. Okay, there are the characteristics. More devices are 8-bit ways because byte addressable. Some are 16 bits. Tip organizations are capacity, and this access time. This is already we have gone through in the classes, right? Access time, we have done the problem and this. But this is a recapitulation because in the there is a gap, and obviously you are in the oblivion of different driving force, so that we have to move for that. Now there is a concept of কিরে সব আছিস না ঘুমিয়ে পড়লি? আরে সবাই আছিস না
আছি
ঘুমিয়ে
স্যার,
পড়লি?
আছি স্যার, আছি।
আমি ভাবলাম ঘুমিয়ে পড়লি সব বলা। আছি আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে।
सर म्यूट करके रखे थे।
So there are the types of semiconductor memories. ছোট বয়সে
স্যার আপনার
सर
অডিওটা একটুখানি
हाँ
হচ্ছে মনে হয়।
हाँ सर
আমার একটু প্রবলেম হচ্ছে
এগুলো পড়েছিলি মেমোরি বলতে পারছিস? স্লাইড দেখতে পাচ্ছিস?
স্লাইড দেখতে
हाँ
পাচ্ছি, কিন্তু আপনার অডিওটা মানে একটু কেটে
দেখতে
কেটে
পাচ্ছিস?
একটু।
অডিও তো কেটে যাবে, আর কি করা
सर
যাবে?
एक मिनट एक बार आप म्यूट करके वापस एक्टिव कीजिए, एक बार म्यूट करके वापस एक्टिव कीजिए।
এইভাবেই চালাতে হবে তো। শুনতে পাচ্ছিস কি না শুনতেও পাচ্ছিস না?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
হ্যালো,
স্যার,
শুনতে পাচ্ছিস?
পাচ্ছি।
হ্যাঁ স্যার, হ্যাঁ।
আচ্ছা, পাচ্ছিস? দেখি
হ্যাঁ
আমি তো
স্যার।
ভলিউমটা আচ্ছা নে। Acha, there are the types of semiconductor memories. Okay, that memories are the read memory, read only memory, ROM, PROM. এগুলো আর বলবো, তোরা তো এগুলো জানিস সব। Read only memory, a type of memory that can be written, that can be read, and contents determined in a manufactured time. There is a PROM, programmable ROM. It can be programmed, and there is a OTP concept, one-time programmable, means multi, not it will be erasable. Right? It will be one type programmable. And there is a random access memory. So there are two types of RAMs, a static RAM and dynamic RAM. Okay, it is
रैम का
already
फुल
you
फॉर्म
know.
क्या होता है सर?
RAM का full form random access memory. ठीक है?
Memory.
Random access memory.
SRAM DRAM
static RAM and
RAM
dynamic
DRAM।
RAM।
যা
ইয়েস, কি হলো যা কেন?
কিছু না 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 না
নেক্সট
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে
নেক্সট next হচ্ছে static RAM and dynamic RAM এর আবার classification. The static RAM is the fastest access time of all type of memory types. This is primarily a cache memory. Read write operations it is random. কেন? এই তো আমি তো দেখতে পাচ্ছি।
স্যার আমিও দেখতে পাচ্ছি।
আমিও দেখতে পাচ্ছি
হ্যাঁ
ठीक तो है, सब कुछ तो ठीक था।
না
अभी क्या
স্যার
हुआ?
চালু আছে।
চালু আছে। আচ্ছা ডাইনামিক RAM
চালু আছে দেখতে পাচ্ছি।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে স্যার বলুন।
এরপরে ডাইনামিক RAM, ঠিক আছে? ডাইনামিক RAM হচ্ছে must be refreshed within less than a millisecond. Most main memory is a dynamic RAM, and dynamic RAM এর মধ্যে আবার 3-4 রকম ক্লাসিফিকেশন আছে। SDRAM, synchronous dynamic RAM, DDR, double data rate dynamic RAM, and QDR, quad data rate dynamic RAM, right? These are the characteristics. ঠিক আছে, পরের স্ক্রিনে গেলাম, ফ্ল্যাশ মেমোরি, রাইট? SRAM ইউজ হয় কম, খুব কম, ঠিক আছে? Next is the flash memory. Flash memory is a hybrid memory, compact flash memory, smart media flash memory, USB memory তে flash memory ইউজ করা হয়। The entire chip must be erased at one time. যে আমরা যেটা বলছিলাম মানে one time programmable RAM. Most of the cases যেটা হয় in embedded system programming, তোরা আজকের যুগে দেখতে পাবি, you are aware of that the embedded systems are doing on that programming concept. That means the program itself code within the chip, and the chip will work as usual, right? So that is the embedded system programming. Embedded system means the program software itself contained within the chip, and that is the interface between the hardware and software. The integrity is that you are writing a program, that program is born. Some issues we can refer the microcontroller program. There is a concept of microprocessor and microcontroller. Microcontroller is the control over the program within the chip. That means you are writing a program. That program is born. Technically, it is called born. Born means the program is imported or empowered within that chip, and then chip is embossed within a circuit, and the functionality of the chip remains as per the program. And microcontroller programming, something we can say right nowadays is the robot technology. Robot technology means the program is predefined before the circuit embedded. So there is a concept of that, but some memory chips are there where there is a flash memory that it must be erased at one time. That means individual byte erase is not possible. One time it can be erased. So that is called a flash memory, and it is a concept of solid state disk, that is called SSD, solid state disk. So these are the definition of flash memories, and in the exam there may be a concept of flash memory of short notes. These are the one type of memory. Next
सर हेलो।
प्रदीप का आवाज आ रहा है।
পিয়ানোর মতো হচ্ছে।
सर एक मिनट सर, एक मिनट। सब लोग
পিয়ানোর মতন হলো, এবার ঠিক আছে।
एक्सेप्ट
What is computer architecture? What is computer architecture?
এক মিনিট শুনতে পাচ্ছি না।
अच्छा,
म्यूट करो, सब लोग म्यूट करो अपने आप को। एक्सेप्ट सर, सब लोग अपने आप को म्यूट करो। सर
হয়েছে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার, স্টার্ট করুন।
বল। What is computer architecture? I think you have seen the slides. Application, এটা আর তোকে বলতে হবে না, it is repeatedly I have said what is computer architecture, so I am skipping that. Levels of representation of computers, it is also next slide. I am moving. Levels of representation of computers: high level language program, assembly level language program, machine level program, and digital control signal specification. We are control signal specification. We are always using the high level programming, but there is assembly language programming. That assembly language programming is the microprocessor programming. Now you connect with the first slide that there is a microprocessor, microprocessor, and there is a assembly language programming. So this is the level of abstraction or representation of the computer, right? Next, what is ISA instruction set architecture? Instruction set architecture. Instruction set architecture, it is the attributes of computing system as seen by the programmer, that is the conceptual structure or and the functional behavior as distinct from the organization of the data flows and controls the logic design and physical implementation. That is the Brooks and Blow, it is the ISA. They have defined their attributes, that these are the attributes of a computing system as seen by a programmer. That means how the programming is going on. These are called the instruction set architecture. What it includes? It includes first the organization of the programmable storage. That means the memory concept. Second, what it includes? It includes the data types and data structures. That means how the data are encoding, how the data are represented, what are the data structures that are used. Next is the instruction formats. What are the instructions formats they have used? You have seen in the third sem the instruction formats in the computer organization. Zero level instruction format, 1 byte instruction format. These are the instruction formats. Then there is an operation code set, that means instruction set. And finally, modes of addressing. There are some addressing modes. We can refer with the computer architecture or computer processor. There is a concept of direct addressing mode, indirect addressing mode, register addressing mode, immediate addressing mode, and implicit addressing mode. In the class we have mentioned the whole computer instructions are classified in different categories. The first category is the normal instructions, that means move, data transfer group. It is called the data transfer group. Data transfer group means data is located here. We have to move from one place to another place. We have to move from one location to another location. Maybe one register to another register. Maybe one accumulator or to another register. That is the data transfer group. So one thing is data transfer group. What are the examples? Move A comma B. Move A comma B. What it means? The contents of register B is moved to the contents of register A or accumulator. That's why it is the data transfer group. Next is the arithmetic and logical group. What is the arithmetic and logical group? All the arithmetic operations are done. That means add, sub, multiplication. These are the arithmetic and logical group. Next is the jump and control instruction. That means if there is move, normally we are using if there is a 1, go to there, else move to there. So if and there, so there is a jump and control. If there is a 0, move to that location. If there is not 0, move to that location. So there is a if and then control location. And finally there is a implicit mode. Implicit mode means exchange operation and other halt, stop. These are the operations. So these are the classification of instructions. Now finally, keep in mind that instructions is classified. Now what are the modes? Mode means. Nowadays we are moving to the college by bus, there is a mode. By auto there is a mode. By train there is a mode. By rickshaw there is a mode. By walking there is a mode. Similarly, the processor is defined. There are some register modes or way of addressing mode. What is the addressing mode? The addressing mode is direct addressing mode. Direct addressing mode means you can directly move from one register to another. There is a indirect addressing mode. That means not directly. You have to go through the via. And there is a register addressing mode. In register addressing mode, you can move from one register to another register. And there is a immediate addressing mode. Immediate means there is an immediate operation. Do it now. In sometimes we have sent instructions to you. Do that at first. Do it at first. So that is the immediate addressing mode. So these are concepts addressing modes. Memory is dealt with the data and address. Processor is there. Memory is there. There are two interconnection. One is data. One is address. From where the data is fetched from the address. From whom it will be gone, that is also address. Now the address is total address space is divided into different locations, either register or accumulator or whatever may be. So these are the modes instruction set architecture. Why it is called instruction set? Because the total instructions holds the data types. The total instruction holds the data structure encoding process, the representations, the instruction format, instruction set, and as well as what are the modes of instruction used by the processor. So that's why this is called the architecture. Architecture is the pillar, architecture is the backbone, and if there are some exceptional conditions are there, that is also adhered by the instruction set architecture. So instruction set architecture is important to understand what is going on inside the processor, at least to some level of abstraction. You have learned through the C programming language there is an abstract data type, ADT. There is a syntax of abstract data type. So abstraction is there, that how the instructions was imparted to the processor by the user, by the external programmer, what they have inside going on, and that is viewed by the programming, that is the conceptual structure and functional behavior, and it is distinct from one organization to another organization. That means organization may vary, but what are the nature, what are the conceptual and behavioral structure of that instruction which holds these four parameters are nothing but called the instruction set architecture. This is called ISA, right? ঘুমোচ্ছিস না পড়ছিস কিছুই আমিও বুঝতে পারছি না।
না
আমি তো
স্যার
কারোর
জেগে
ফেস
আছি।
গুলো দেখতে পাচ্ছি না, সেটা হচ্ছে ব্যাপার। ক্লাসে হলে কি বলতো আমি ফেস গুলো দেখতে পাই, আর এখানে ভিডিও হলে কি হবে,
अरे
না
सर
না আর
सबका
ফেস
आवाज
দেখাতে
आ
হবে
रहा
না।
है,
হ্যাঁ আমি
सब
সবার
लोग
দেখতে পাচ্ছি।
है।
আয়ুষ কথা বলছে, আমি বুঝতে পেরেছি, ঠিক আছে আয়ুষ কথা বলছে, তাই তো?
সবাই
हाँ सर,
একবার
हम
করে
म्यूट कर
হাই
देते हैं हम
লিখে দিন
अपना
না,
आवाज।
সবাই
ঠিক
একবার
আছে ঠিক
করে
আছে।
চ্যাটে হাই
नहीं
লিখে
नहीं
দিলে
नहीं, रेज
ভালোই
है,
হলো।
না না
नहीं
না
रेज
না
है,
না,
भूल
দরকার
गया।
নেই দরকার নেই। আচ্ছা, whatever I have delivered, is it understandable or not, or totally
ইয়েস স্যার।
in the blow of air, with the Almighty, goes to Almighty, no one is absorbed. Okay.
স্যার
Thing
আমাদের
is,
ম্যাকআউট থেকে বেশি বেশি নম্বর পাওয়া উচিত, কারণ কি আমরা তো ধরুন এইভাবেও
ঠিক
মানে সে
I agree
মর্মান্তিক
that,
অবস্থাতে
I agree that,
পড়াশোনা করছি।
I agree that, don't worry, I agree that. Okay, আচ্ছা রানিং আউট অফ টাইম তো বলে দিচ্ছে রে। আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, আচ্ছা নেক্সট সেশনটা আবার দেবো, করবো। যদি রানিং আউট অফ হয় কোনো চিন্তা করিস না, আমি আবার নেক্সট ক্লাসটা বসার আগে বলে দেবো, ঠিক আছে?
কোথায় রানিং আউট অফ টাইম বললো?
আমাকে দিচ্ছে
আমাকেও দিচ্ছে নোটিফিকেশন আসছে।
হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে, নোটিফিকেশন একটা আসছে।
আমাদেরও
দিনের
দিচ্ছে।
উপরে
তাহলে স্যার অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সটার একটা স্ক্রিনশট তুলে দিন না কেউ।
হ্যাঁ তুলে আমাকে পাঠিয়ে দিস, এই স্ক্রিনশট করে আমার হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ করে পাঠিয়ে দে চট করে, ঠিক আছে? আচ্ছা ইনস্ট্রাকশন সেট আর্কিটেকচারটা দেখিস, ওখানে এক্সাম্পল দেওয়া হয়েছে। আমি পরের সেটে দেখছি লজিক ডেনসিটি, পরের স্লাইডে গেলাম, দুটো স্লাইড পরে টেকনোলজি লজিক ডেনসিটি। হ্যাঁ ওই মুর ল আমি বলেছিলাম ক্লাসে, মুর ল, সেই মুর লটা এখানে দিয়েছে। হাউ এভরি অবজার্ভ দ্য ট্রানজিস্টর ডেনসিটি অন দ্য সিলিকন ডাবলস এভরি ইয়ার টু ইয়ার এন্ড এ হাফ, মানে এভরি ইয়ার টু ইয়ার এন্ড এ হাফ it will be doubles, and Moore's law, that is the statement, the number of transistors on a processor chip, it is over the years it will be double. How it is explaining, that is also the Moore's law continuation, slide number 14. Then there is the internal organization, processor, control, data path, memory, input output, it is also I am skipping, and typical computer memory system, CPU memory input output সেটাও আমি দিয়েছি। হ্যাঁ 16 number slide, there is a CPU, there is a memory, there is a input and output, control bus, address bus, data bus, সেটা দেওয়া রয়েছে। And this is the summary. Summary is nothing but the all computers consist of components, processor, and this, that is the last slide hopefully, right? All computers consist of 5 components: processor, the processor has data path and control, memory, input devices, and output devices. Not all memory are created equally, but there is a main thing, cache memory, main memory, and input and output devices as the last regular organization, that wide range of speed, wide range of requirements, and least amount of research so far, right? This is the summary. হ্যালো সৌরিক, প্রথম কাজ হচ্ছে তুই আমাকে এই রেকর্ডটা করলে পাঠিয়ে দিস, ঠিক আছে? আমি গ্রুপে পাঠিয়ে দেবো, নাম্বার 1। আচ্ছা আর কে আমাকে অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সটা পাঠাবে, প্রীতম না তুই পাঠাবি স্ক্রিনশট করে? তাহলে আমাকে হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ করে দিস, ঠিক আছে? আচ্ছা মেলটা
আরেকবার
প্রত্যেকে চেক
আরেকবার তুলে নেয়
আরেকবার নে, কারণ কি অনেকে জয়েন
অনেকে এসছে। হ্যাঁ 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 আচ্ছা আরেকটা উদ্দীপনা, মেলটা প্রত্যেককে দেখতে বল। মেলে আমি কিন্তু একটা অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট দিয়েছি, ঠিক আছে? মেলটা প্রত্যেককে দেখতে বলিস, গ্রুপ মেল।
দেখেছি স্যার ওটা।
দেখেছি অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট।
আমি মুডল ক্লাউডের ওইটা করে তোদের কয়েকজনকে পাঠিয়ে দিচ্ছি স্ন্যাপশট হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে, ঠিক আছে? যদি তারপরেও প্রবলেম হয় আমায় বলবি, আমি নেক্সট ক্লাসটা যখন নেবো আবার তোদেরকে জানাবো, কোনো চিন্তা নেই, ঠিক আছে?
ঠিক আছে
অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট কবে দিতে হবে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার
দেরি আছে, সময় আছে, সময় নিয়ে দে, সামনের সোমবার, সামনের সোমবার আমি সবসময় সময় নিয়ে দিই, কোনো চিন্তা নেই, ঠিক আছে? কোনো চিন্তা নেই।
থ্যাংক ইউ
অ্যাসাইনমেন্টটাই পিডিএফ করে মেল করে দেবো তো?
যা ইচ্ছা ওয়ার্ডে করতে পাঠালেও হবে, কোনো অসুবিধা নেই, ঠিক আছে? আর পিডিএফ করে মেল করে দিতে পারিস। আচ্ছা বলছি এই সময় খুব ভালো থাকবি, সবাই সাবধানে থাকবি, ঠিক আছে? এটা অ্যাটমসফিয়ার নিবি।
আপনি স্যার ভালো থাকবেন।
স্যারদের
ঠিক আছে,
জমা দেওয়ার দরকার নেই তো আর তাহলে?
না হার্ড কপি দরকার নেই এখন আপাতত, ঠিক আছে? আপাতত দরকার নেই।
পিডিএফ দিয়ে দেবো, ঠিক আছে।
জয়েন করতে বলছে
ঠিক আছে,
তুমি এসছে বাইরে।
ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে, এন্ড করলাম মিটিং।
হ্যাঁ স্যার, হ্যাঁ স্যার।